Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to enable or show the pivot table editor in Google Sheets. If you've been working with pivot tables and suddenly can't find the editor panel, or if it's disappeared from your workspace, this tutorial will help you bring it back so you can continue analyzing your data effectively. First, open your web browser and navigate to workspace.google.com. Once you're there, sign into your Google account using your credentials. This will take you to your Workspace dashboard where all your Google apps and files are accessible. Make sure you're logged in with the correct account that has access to the spreadsheet you need to work on. Once you're on the Workspace dashboard, locate the spreadsheet that contains the pivot table you want to edit. Simply click on it to open the file. This will load your spreadsheet in Google Sheets, and you'll be able to see all your data and any existing pivot tables you've created. Now, here's where you'll access the pivot table editor. Hover your mouse over your pivot table. When you do this, you should see a pencil icon appear underneath it. This pencil icon is your gateway to the editor. Click on the pencil icon and then select Edit from the options that appear. Once you do this, the pivot table editor will appear on the right side of your screen, giving you full access to customize your pivot table settings, add new fields, or modify existing ones. However, what if you don't see the pencil icon at all? This is a common issue that many users face. If the pencil icon isn't visible when you hover over your pivot table, don't worry, there's a simple fix. Right-click anywhere on your pivot table. From the context menu that appears, look for an option that says Show All Controls and click on it. This action will reveal all the hidden controls for your pivot table, including that elusive pencil icon. Once you've clicked Show All Controls, the pencil icon should now be visible underneath your pivot table. Go ahead and click on it, then select Edit just like before. The pivot table editor will now appear on the right side of your screen, allowing you to make any adjustments or modifications you need. And that's it. You've successfully enabled and accessed the pivot table editor in Google Sheets. Whether the editor was hidden or the controls weren't showing, you now know exactly how to bring it back and continue working with your data analysis. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.